Hi guys, I'm Brooklyn and this is Baking with Brooklyn. Today we are making pumpkin roll. So first you need pumpkin. I'm gonna put that in our bowl. Okay, then a cup of sugar. Next we add our flour, 3/4 a cup. Then we're gonna stir this. Then we're gonna add in 3 eggs. Mix. Okay. Then you want pumpkin flavor, so you're gonna add pumpkin pie spice. We're gonna add a tablespoon. Okay. Mix it well until it's all combined. You don't want any lumps. Then in here I have salt and baking soda. That helps it rise. It's the science behind it. Spray your pan. And add parchment paper. Then after it's all nice and smooth, and pour it on the pan. Okay. Then we're gonna lay it flat. Now it goes to the oven. Now I get to make a mess. Take off the paper. Ta-da! Even more powdered sugar. Make it snow. This is the hardest part. Start at one end. You're gonna roll because it's pumpkin roll. Okay. Then I have to put this in the freezer because it has to cool. Day 2, back and better. So I let it sit in the fridge overnight and we're gonna unroll it and hopefully it doesn't stick to the cloth. Okay. Did good, okay. And then take the cloth all the way off. And then I like to trim the edges because the edges get kind of crispy and I don't like that. Use your tools wisely. Then put it on. That's good. Start at one end and go towards the other. Just like how you rolled it originally. Get a plate. Put it on your plate. Ta-da! Final product. You made a pumpkin roll.